discreet, and customized for those on the go. The Mini Vibro Tease from California Exotic Novelties is just the ticket. The new Mini Vibro Tease is a slender, soft, and pliable probe with a powerful and waterproof bullet stimulator with push-button activation. The bullet easily removes from the sleeve of the Vibro Probe Tease, but it's best to install the 3 required watch batteries. 6 are included with your purchase, while the slim and powerful bullet is snug in its sleeve. Simply open the cap at the end of the silver-plated stimulator, drop in the batteries, and reseal the cap securely. Then, just tap the push button when you're ready to activate the wondrous vibrations of the Mini Vibro Tease. The Mini Vibro Tease is made of hygienically superior, soft, pliable, and durable TPR and is waterproof for sensual fun in the bath and shower. For maximum pleasure before each use, always use a water-based lubricant or California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Lube, and remove the batteries when not in use to preserve their life and prevent any corrosion inside the unit. Before and after each use, clean your Mini Vibro Tease with mild soap and a damp washcloth or California Exotic Novelties brand toy cleaner. The discreet, powerful, and slim Mini Vibro Tease for fun on the go. Available in pink, smoke, and clear. Only from California Exotic Novelties.